I share my home with 2 cats, and we recently moved the litter box to the garage. So today I'm installing this CatMate locking cat door. You can see it's a 4-way locking cat door. You can lock the cat out or in, and it's set up for a 2-inch thick door. I have an aluminum door with insulation in the middle. So to start, we're going to trace the template that came with the kit, and then I'm going to cut out the lines that I've traced. For cutting, I'll be using this Dremel metal cutting wheel. Next, I grabbed a pair of needle nose pliers and used those to pull off the metal portion of the door that I had cut out, revealing the insulation on the inside. Once I had the insulation exposed, I went outside and got my drill so I could drill 2 holes through the top corners where the template was. That way when I go outside to cut the other part of the door, I'll be able to line up the template. I went to the outside of the door and repeated this process. That way all I had was insulation left in the middle. Now all you have to do is push through the insulation, and I used a file from my shop to just cut out the insulation and smooth the edges to make room for the door housing to fit through. Now it's time to fit the inner portion of the door into the hole we've cut. And then I'm going to have to drill out holes in the 4 corners to make sure I can secure this with the 4 screws that are provided. After drilling the holes, I used the provided screws to screw down the inner side of the cat door. Now I've gone outside and completed the other portion, and here's the working cat door. You can see the flap opens both ways from the inside, and if we go outside, it's a bit darker, but you can see it works the same as well, and it's a see-through door so the cats get the idea. If you like this, please subscribe to the channel for more projects. Thanks for watching.